Imagine you're playing a video game, or maybe you're in a virtual world. You've got this awesome digital item, a rare sword, a cool skin, or even just some in-game currency. Now, you want to trade it, sell it, or maybe even use it in a completely different game or application. But, how? How do you move that value around, securely, and seamlessly? That's the problem Beam Wallet and its currency, the Beam, are trying to solve. See, we're living in a world where digital assets are exploding. Think NFTs, in-game items, loyalty points, even digital art. But the problem is, they're often trapped. Stuck within the walls of the platform they were created on. And that's where the idea of interoperability comes in. Imagine a world where your digital assets can move freely across different games, applications, and even blockchains. That's the vision behind Beam Wallet. So, let's get down to the core question. What exactly is the Beam Wallet currency, the Beam? It's not just another cryptocurrency. It's a utility token designed to power a network focused on this interoperability, this movement of digital assets. Think of Beam as the fuel that makes the Beam Wallet ecosystem work. It's the key to unlocking the potential of your digital possessions. Here's how it works. Beam Wallet and the associated network are built on the idea of a confidential asset layer. This means that transactions are secure and private, ensuring that your digital assets are protected. And Beam is the currency used to pay for the services within this layer. It's used for transaction fees, for interacting with smart contracts that facilitate the transfer of assets, and for accessing the various functionalities of the Beam ecosystem. Now, why is this important? Because it unlocks a whole new level of control and ownership for you, the user. Instead of being at the mercy of a single platform, you can move your assets freely, using them in new and exciting ways. This creates a more open and decentralized digital economy, one where value can flow seamlessly. Think about it. You could earn in-game currency in one game and use it to buy a digital collectible in another. You could trade NFTs across different marketplaces without worrying about compatibility issues. Or you could even use your loyalty points from one platform to access exclusive content on another. The possibilities are endless. The Beam token isn't just about transactions, though. It's also about governance. Holders of Beam tokens can participate in the decision-making process of the Beam ecosystem, helping to shape its future. This decentralized governance model ensures that the network is truly owned and operated by its users. The core idea is to break down the silos that currently exist in the digital asset space. To create a connected and interoperable world where your digital possessions are truly yours. And Beam, the currency, is the engine that drives this vision. It's the key to unlocking the true potential of the metaverse and beyond. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.